Hi guys, Guillermo is here. Welcome back to the Revit architectural training tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the pin tool and all its features. Let's begin. One of the best features of Revit is that it is very easy to edit elements once they are in your model, including moving them. It is also very easy, and often too easy, to delete them. But, what if you wish to safeguard against accidental movements and deletions? This is where the pin tool comes into play. The pin tool allows us to pin an element in its current position and stop it from being moved. This also has the effect of stopping the element from being deleted too. To pin an element, go to Modify menu tab, and you'll see the pin tools on the right-hand side of the Modify panel. There are two pin tools, one to pin and one to unpin. Click on the pin icon to pin the object. Now the object displays a pin icon over it, but only whilst it is selected. If you try to delete or move the pinned element, you will see the following message displayed. If you need to move or delete a pinned element, simply select the element and click on the unpin icon on the Modify panel. Also, you can click the pin on the drawing area. You are now free to move or delete the element accordingly.